Hey everybody, we're going to do a Dutch pour on a 16 by 20 canvas. Don't forget to put your tacks on the bottom. I put mine in the seams, that way it doesn't crack my frame and they're easier to push in. The tacks just help you to clean up underneath your canvas and get rid of the big drips. My paint for my white base coat needs to be thinner, so it's 2 parts Floetrol, 30% water, 1% acrylic. My paint is Sots Heavy Body. My colors are 1 part Floetrol, 1 part acrylic, and 20% water. Out of all the different pours, this is my favorite. It's quick, but the stuff that you can do with this is beautiful. Don't get discouraged if you don't get it on the first, second, third, fourth time. It took me 5 times to get one that even looked decent. I just kept it up. I'm going to use purple, a light orange, and a deep blue, and a copper metallic. You don't need a lot of paint, just a little bit does it. Metallics are thinner than the acrylics, and I have my purple thinner than the other colors. You want to get up under your white to blend it in to where it feathers, and it's not a sharp line of your colors here. So get some of that white and spread it over there as you go. I do my heavier colors that are thicker first. I've been pushing my white over, so I'm going to put a little white in front of this to where I know I got some to blow over and feather it. That one didn't stay separated like I would like. I like a band around it, and it didn't quite do that. Let's see if I can't fool with it too much, you'll mess it up. That one's done. Hope you enjoyed. Canvas is all dry. The colors are amazing. I really like this one. I used some copper, and you can see it throughout in just little small areas. That looks really good. Now we're going to fine tune this a little bit, put a little shadow underneath each petal to where it's more distinct. We're going to do that by dry brushing. Dry brushing is with a thicker bristle. You put a little paint on your brush, wipe it off. When you dry brush, it takes a few coats of dry brushing to actually get the effect you're looking for sometimes. I'm going to go with my folk art and see if that does better. It would take me too long to do this the other way. We'll let this dry and then go over it again right up close. Just a little hint of color. See how that brings this ridge out lighter? I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but the shadowing is dull and the pour is shiny. That makes that look so neat, like it's 3D. Dry brushing, you just got to keep doing it over and over. It gets darker each time, but you just don't want to do it too heavy. You want to have it look like it's feathered. Now each petal stands out. This is pretty. If you guys haven't tried these, they're wonderful. Acrylic pens. I love these things. Sign my name, and she is done. I'm not going to do anything else with this. Hope you enjoyed.